In primetime news this evening, 78 million set aside to pay out some victims of SSL multi-million-dollar fraud. Is Usain Bolt's company on the list?
Defiant. Persons who've consumed container chicken remain unfazed by health warnings.
And water quality disputes spilled over at corporation meeting. Good evening and welcome to primetime news on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Logg.
Well, Andrea, as the trade war between USA and China continues, at least one expert in China says the country is prepared for the fallout. I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
That is a big story. And speaking of big stories, Janella asked me yesterday why I don't call it the big show. Well, it's the big show today. Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, tough going for the Reggae girls. They lose their second friendly international to Mexico, and also pretty tough on the West Indies women as they lose their opening match at the ICC World Cup qualifiers. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what has been your experience with the water quality in your area?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.